Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to delete Grok Imagine history. First, open Grok Imagine and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see your favorites at the bottom left of the screen. Click on Favorites. Here, you will see the videos you have generated. Click on the video you want to delete to open it. Next, look at the top right corner of the video. You will see three dots. Click on the three dots to open a menu. In this menu, select the Delete option. Your generated video will be deleted from your visible history. Another way to manage your files is through your account settings. To do this, click on your profile icon at the bottom left of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings section, find Data Controls and click on it. Inside Data Controls, look for the option that says See Files and Assets. Click on Manage. Here, you will see a list of all your generated files. Next to each file, there will be an option to delete it. Click on Delete for the files you want to remove. This will remove them from your account. It is important to remember that deleting files this way removes them from your visible account, but some data may still exist on servers for a limited time. Always double-check that you are deleting the correct files before confirming. Thanks for watching.